Korea is also under lockdown, I think.
And I've
So
heard like Omicron is spreading over there. Somehow we are in.
yeah,
So
yeah,
how are you, Bhuwan?
yeah, ma'am. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Okay. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. How's your work going?
Yeah, actually today is night shift, so I have to go.
Oh,
Uh, yeah, so I have to go about 10 p.m.
10 p.m. You have to go to your office.
Yeah,
Okay. And
yeah.
you'll be back by?
I will be back by 7:30.
Oh my God. That's so. But I'm sure you must have taken a good sleep during the daytime.
No, actually, it was holidays Sunday, so I slept Sunday nights. So it
Okay. So now it's like now you will get into the mood when you are working the entire Monday night. So you'll come in Tuesday day, you'll sleep.
right, yeah. And tomorrow I will, yeah, tomorrow when I will reach my home around 8:30 or something. Yeah, 8:30 I think. So then I can sleep whole day.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
But how will you feel, Bhuvan? Like the entire world is up and about and you're sleeping.
Actually, it feel very bad, really.
No, I'm not making you feel bad. Please, no. But the entire world has slept also last night, no? But when you
Y-
were working.
Yeah,
Okay,
like people.
so
Mhm.
like
Yeah,
people.
like it is completely different from people. Like
We cannot blame you.
yeah, people wake up very early. They do yoga, they do exercise, and what I do sleep.
This is the thing. But okay, yours is a night shift. So
Mhm.
what are your duties that you have to do during the night?
Same thing. We have to do what we do in daytime. Same thing we have to do in night
Night
times.
time. There is
Yeah,
no difference.
no, there is no
No
difference.
difference.
No difference.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like for us, we also get that hospital night shift if
Hmm.
you're a part of staff.
Hmm.
So for us, the difference was like during the daytime, you are assigned a department that this person is in neurology, this is in cardiology. It's
Okay.
divided.
Hmm.
During the night time, the person who is in night shift, he has to look after all departments, not just one.
Okay.
So this is the difference that he will take rounds for patients who are
Hmm.
in the need of physio,
Hmm.
and he will perform the physio during the night time. And it's not just one department; he has to look after all departments. That's the difference for us.
Okay, but here in my company there is no difference. You have to assign same work, and you have to do
Okay.
the same work either it's day or night.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. And how
Mm.
many people are there with you during night shift?
There are almost 25 people in my team.
Oh, okay. At least you
Yeah.
won't get bored.
Hmm?
Won't get bored. You will have company.
Right. But all, yeah, but all feel sleepy. Like after
Yes.
after 2 or 3 a.m. all feel sleepy. All.
Do you guys sleep?
No, actually there are like sleeping is a process violation, so you can't
Yeah.
sleep.
Oh, oh shit. Are you like under CCTV surveillance?
No, there is no CCTV, but your trainer will be there.
Oh my god.
You can sleep. Yeah, you can sleep in cafeteria. You can sleep
Okay.
somewhere else, but you can't
Okay.
sleep inside the office.
Okay.
Otherwise it's a like mm, what I was saying earlier,
Violation.
violation. Yeah,
How cute. He's like, what did I mention earlier? Yes,
yeah,
okay. So it's a violation that you guys are not allowed to sleep.
yeah, right. Yeah,
Feels like a jail time, no?
yeah. Feels like a
It's
jail time.
actually feeling like a jail time. But is the food provided to you?
No, they don't provide food. Yeah, but they provide tea or coffee.
No,
But
wow,
these,
how generous.
but like machines coffee or machines tea. But
Yeah, yeah.
these are not goods actually. Not goods.
The machine ones, it has a different essence. You don't really find it to be something that you're looking for.
Right.
That's a
So, so
little different.
yeah, so sometimes what we do, we go to outside, like whenever we got break.
Yeah, tafri
Yeah,
wali chai.
yeah, tough value chai. So we go outside.
We also used to do this because when it was like we got bored of having this machine wala chai, we used to make a group. We used to ask everybody who's going outside for chai. So
Yeah.
whoever was in, we used to make a group and then go to the tapri and have that chai. It's the best
Same thing.
feeling ever.
Yeah, same things we do.
Yes. But that's what, no, it has a different feeling. That chai is different. The one
Yeah.
that you make with chai patti and chini, not the
Right.
machine one.
Yeah. Right. And like taste is also different from machine wali chai
Very
or like
different.
this tea. Yeah.
Very different.
Mm.
Because in the machine one they used powdered milk. It's not the natural milk.
Right.
Yes, so that
Mhm.
is what they use powdered milk, hence it tastes a little different. So
Yeah.
you need that doodh, liquid wala doodh, not the powdered wala doodh. That's gonna ruin the
Mm,
chai. But never mind.
yeah.
You guys
Mhm.
don't have a provision of making something on your own. Like some offices, they provide a separate pantry kind of a thing where you can prepare what you want.
No. Actually, there is a cafeteria, and like there are two, I think, two cafeterias, and it is for all, not for
Everybody.
us. Yeah, everybody can
Everybody.
go there.
Hmm.
Yeah, everybody can go
Okay.
there. And earlier there was some protocol, like there was some there was some COVID protocol earlier.
Oh, okay.
Like there are only two persons sit together, but now there is no corona, I think, in our country at least. So there is no corona. So nowadays there is no protocol,
No restriction now.
no restriction. Yeah, but
Mm.
the only thing is that you have to wear mask, I think, only.
Yes.
mm,
Masks also are not that compulsory now. I feel like they are
yeah,
letting it
right,
go,
right.
but it is
Yeah,
like over there the country. What is that? China is under lockdown again. So
right,
I'm
right.
like I'm getting this anxiety again and again. I'm like, why? What is wrong with this country? What are you doing? It's
Yeah,
like, haven't you done enough already?
right. And I think most of the people are not wearing mask. On Saturday, no,
Mm,
Sunday, I went to a mall in Noida.
mm.
So there were some people who were not
Not
wearing mask,
wearing masks.
and there is no compulsion to wear mask if you have to enter.
Nothing. Yes.
Yeah.
Which mall did you go in Noida? GIP.
Uh,
One
there is
is
a
GIP, one is DLF.
DLF. Yeah, DLF, and there is a mall called Wave. Something Wave
Oh,
is a
you
big
went to
word.
Wave. Okay, okay, yeah. Wave
Wave.
City.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Wave
Okay, so
City.
you went there. Okay.
Yeah.
In Delhi also, you'll hardly see people who are wearing masks. No
Hmm.
compulsion whatsoever now.
No. No compulsion. Yeah.
Yes, not at all. The
Yeah.
mask thing, and earlier, in Delhi, what was that? The number of seats you have in the public buses, only that number of people would board the bus.
Hmm.
Nobody will stand, nobody will crowd the bus. Now
Yeah.
everybody can stand, even though the bus is like full of its
Hmm.
capacity. Still, people are on board.
Same. Yeah. Same things in metro.
So I'm like, how will this stop the coronavirus from spreading?
Yeah.
It's
But
not
I
gonna
think. Yeah. But I think
not gonna
China
stop.
China is under lockdown, and
Yes.
North and I think North Korea is also under lockdown, I think.
And I've
So
heard like Omicron is spreading over there. Our
yeah.
country dealt with Omicron in a very good way. Like they
Mhm.
suffered, I know they suffered, but they handled it pretty well. There were no
Right.
what do you call it? It wasn't fatal. So there were no
Hmm.
death cases from Omicron. I don't
Right.
know what is wrong with China. I'm like, what? You're not able to fight Omicron.
And I think I was reading a newspaper, so I think August will peak here in the month of August.
Oh
Yeah.
man, please
So
don't
now
say that. I
now
have my
it's
birthday in August. how will I how will I go outside in this corona thing? Oh my god. You Last year was pretty bad for us. The month of April and May were pretty bad for my family because we all were infected. And even my father and got very serious. My mom got very serious. So now this time is coming again. So my heart is literally pounding. It's like, please no, please no. So I don't know what's gonna happen this time, but I pray to God that please don't show us these days again. It is very bad. You were not
okay.
affected, right?
Yeah, because that time I was in
That's
Uttarakhand,
good.
so that's why I was not affected.
Hmm.
But now I am in Delhi, so I
Yeah.
might be affected.
normal sardi zukham now. It's like,
Yeah.
who gives a shit anymore? Oh, but I forgot to tell you, Bhuwan, I'm vaccinated. I did get my vaccination in the month of January, finally.
Okay.
So I'm vaccinated. But
Okay, you're vaccinated.
God, my hand was like so sore. I cannot tell you. I couldn't lift my hand beyond this. It was very
Okay.
bad. It was Covishield, I guess. I got Covishield.
Covish-
Mm.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I also got Covishield.
It was very painful, honestly telling you. My second shot is next month and I'm already scared. How will I get it?
But in second